Hi guys, welcome back to SoftAsia Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can schedule cache clear into your WordPress website. So let's go to your dashboard where I will show you how to do it. So here, first of all, I will install a plugin. So go to plugins and click on add new. Now here search for cache enabler. Now here you have the cache enabler plugin by KeyCDN. Install this plugin. After installation, click on activate. Now the plugin is successfully activated. Click on settings. Now here you have all the key settings of this plugin where you can schedule the cache. Here you have the expiration. Cache page expire after how many hours. You can add a specific time that you want to add here. For example, you want to be clear every day, so I will add 24 here. Here you have some other options like auto clear cache when new post is published, auto clear cache when new comment is posted, updated or spammed. I will leave it. Here you have clear site cache if term has been added, updated or deleted. Also for the user, and here when the any plugin is activated or deactivated. Also you have some other options like change your images into WebP, but for this you have to download this Optimus plugin, but I will leave it. Yes, I will select these two options for create a cache version for mobile devices and cache version for pre-compressed gzip. Now scroll down and click on save changes. Now the changes is updated. Now all the cache will be refreshed after every 24 hours. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like this video and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching.